Aloe vera has been recognized for its beneficial properties for thousands of years. Ancient Egyptians utilized aloe vera for beauty treatments. Healers worldwide have traditionally used aloe vera for treating wounds and burns. Aloe vera leaves contain over 75 active ingredients that contribute to its healing properties. These active ingredients include vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants. Aloe vera is a natural remedy with healing properties for skin and hair. It cools, burns, and reduces the appearance of scars on the skin. Aloe vera provides a lasting glow to the skin through its moisturizing effects. For hair, it nourishes from the roots to the tips, promoting overall health. It effectively eliminates dandruff, contributing to a healthier scalp. Aloe vera restores shine to hair, acting as a natural, chemical-free conditioner. Aloe vera juice is used internally for its cleansing properties. It can aid in digestion and boost the body's immunity. Aloe vera juice is believed to refresh the body's systems. Moderation is key when consuming aloe vera juice. Excessive consumption of aloe vera juice can be harmful.
Thank you for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.